An App Store rating tells you how users feel overall, but it doesn't guarantee you'll have the same experience with Mistplay. By the end of this video, you'll know what the rating actually reflects, what it doesn't tell you, and how to decide if the app is worth trying. The first thing to understand is that an App Store rating is an average of user reviews. Those reviews come from people with different devices, different countries, different game libraries, and different expectations. Someone who found several games they enjoyed may leave a positive review, while another user who couldn't access the same offers may leave a negative one. Both experiences can be genuine. Instead of focusing only on the overall score, read the most recent reviews. Recent feedback is more useful because it reflects the current version of the app rather than features or issues that may have changed months or years ago. Pay attention to repeated comments. If multiple users mention the same strength or the same problem, that's usually more meaningful than a single review with an extreme opinion. Next, look at how Mistplay actually works. The app rewards users for discovering and playing eligible mobile games. The games available to you can vary based on your device, region, and account. That means two people using Mistplay at the same time may see different game offers, which naturally leads to different reviews. It's also worth checking how the developer responds to user feedback. If you notice replies that explain issues, provide troubleshooting steps, or acknowledge reported problems, that's a sign the company is actively monitoring reviews. It doesn't guarantee a perfect experience, but it does show that user feedback isn't being ignored. Don't make your decision based only on YouTube videos or social media posts either. Some creators highlight only positive experiences, while frustrated users are often more likely to post complaints. Comparing recent App Store reviews with your own experience after installing the app gives you a much better picture than relying on a single source. If you decide to try Mistplay, start by exploring the available games, review the reward requirements, and make sure you're playing eligible titles through the app. If something doesn't work as expected, check for app updates and contact support before assuming the app is broken. The takeaway is simple. Misplay's App Store rating is a useful starting point, but it's not the whole story. Read recent reviews, look for consistent patterns, and judge the app based on your own experience after understanding how it works. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more app reviews, comparisons, and troubleshooting tips.